Watch how I pull up in the scene. Chasing dreams faster than a Rory. Tied up pulling strings and making enemies.
Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is me, it's Mikey, Mike Wave, however you want to call me. Yes, I am back. I know it's been a minute. I haven't made videos. I've been working on music per usual, so working on the tape. Been taking, a lot of my time, and also I'm doing summer classes too, but I just got done with them, so we chilling now, guys. We're back to making videos. Supreme season has ended, unfortunately, and Palace season has just ended today as well, so nothing really for me to do. I mean, I copped the Mike Tyson Chinatown Market tee from last week and this week, so I guess that's dope, I guess. The first one's usually for the personal, and then the photo tee that I just got today was just more of just trying to resell it, see if it does anything, just play around with it. I got a black size large, so if you want it, I mean, just hit me up, but nothing too crazy. I bet you guys are wondering what I've actually copped. Do I have the physical items with me? And yes, I have most of them with me. Some of them I did already sell, but I do have most of the items with me. You can see right here, it's a pretty big stack. Got this stack, and you got this stack right here. So it's not something to be played with. There's a lot of dark colors. I just realized that a lot of these tees are black. Primarily, the reason why most of these are going to be resold because I have too many black shirts. So I'm trying to like venture out to more colors, which is why I'm like, you know what, I need different colors for my wardrobe, so let me get a different color. And before we get started in this video, make sure you guys go bump a like on the screen down below. If you like me doing these type of pickup videos, hauls, whatever the case may be, I think it's pretty dope. That I love showing what I actually bought physically. And make sure you guys go subscribe to me for more content as well, and ring the bell to get notified whenever I do. So yeah, let's get started into this big old pile. Alright, so I think what I want to start off first is Daniel Johnston stuff. So I did get the Daniel Johnston beanie right here. You can see it says I Know Supreme. I think that's what it says. To Know Supreme. So it says To Know Supreme. It has a cool like font on the back. It says Supreme as well. I think the font looks really cool, which is primarily the reason why I got it. But I'm not sure if I want to keep this or just resell it. Honestly, it's a pretty dope beanie. It's embroidered, so I'm just like, it's gonna last a long time. But don't know how to feel about it yet, so I do like the frog design on it because I'm not really a hat person either. So we'll see how that plays out, but it is a super dope looking beanie. Of course, we're gonna have the t-shirt as well. This is actually a navy medium. I accidentally got a medium navy. I think I wanted to get the black, but navy's, I guess, okay. But you see right here, it's a medium right here, navy. You got the frog tee right there. I am thinking about reselling this. Also thinking about keeping it for personal too, to be honest. I don't really have a navy in my closet, so I was like, there's nothing wrong wearing a navy shirt, so I might keep it, I might not. I don't know. We'll see how this plays out. I have too many tees to go through, so maybe I can like pick and choose from like which ones I want and which ones look cool. And of course we have another Daniel Johnston tee. I don't know what this one's called, but it's like super trippy and super weird. You got like the dog's head cut off and everything. You got so much shit is going on with this t-shirt, but it's just, I don't know how to feel about it though. I just don't know how to feel about it. Honestly, it's gonna have to be resold. I don't plan on keeping this. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. I don't know. I think this is black. Yeah, this is a black tee. So it's a size large, as you guys can see. Like I said, I don't know how to feel about this shirt. It doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look like the greatest either. So definitely an out there type of shirt, but we'll just have to see about this. Alright, so next what we have is the Supreme Chrome tee. Yes, I did cop a Chrome tee. It's a size large. Yeah, it's a size large. So this was mainly for reselling. I would keep this for the personal if it was a medium, but like I said, I have too many black shirts, so it would have to get let go regardless. Really like it. It's actually doing, I guess, decent on the resale market right now. I think the last sold for large was like 80 something, so it's not doing too bad. I just sold my bridge tee for like 94, so that's actually really good. I didn't expect it to jump that high, but it did, so I can't be mad about it. So I'm pretty happy that I got rid of it. And plus I already have a bridge tee, so it doesn't really matter. Most of these things that I just got are for retail. I think the only thing that I didn't get for retail was, actually, now that I think about it, I think I got all these for retail. Yeah, so I got a lot of these for retail. So I just keep these usually for inventory, just to see and play around to see if they jump or not, how can we profit from it, etc, etc. So you already know the business of reselling. I don't really need to explain it. Alright, so the rest of these are from, I think, week 18 or 19. It was T week. So yeah, Supreme season has just ended, like I mentioned, but this was from a couple weeks ago, and boy did we hit. So I ended up getting 5 tees and I got an umbrella, so that's actually really dope. I was super stoked on that live cop. I was like, yo, I'm copping a whole bunch of bricks, but you know what? It's alright. We got some things. We making the content, so that's all that really matters. So first what we have here is the Social Security tee, size medium black. I don't know if I want to keep this. I'm not sure if I want to keep it for personal. It's not a bad tee. It's really simple and plain. So, I mean, it doesn't look bad. I mean, personally, I think I would like to wear this. It's pretty cool. But I have too many black tees, like I mentioned before. So this is in like the I don't know pile, basically, if I want to keep it or not. Yeah, you guys can see the bricks are stacking. You already know what the deal is. So now we have, show the tag a little bit. It's like flip upside down and shit. All right, so now this is the Pitbull tee. So if you guys see here, yeah, it has Supreme like right on the bottom of the head. It's a Pitbull tee, just black and white. And it's a size medium as well. So, brick sizes, I'm telling you guys, I'd be cooking it. But yeah, this is the Pitbull tee. I'm actually debating to keep this or not. Like I said, I have so many black tees. These are one of the tees that I like out of the collection, so I might keep it, I may not, I don't know. Depends on how the market goes for this. So I just gotta check StockX like every so often to see how it is. Just like the bridge tee, eventually it went up. So hopefully the other tees do as well. And I'm just gonna show these off right now, but I got a lot of stickers, so let me just open these up for y'all because I don't really resell stickers, to be honest. I don't see the point in doing that. I didn't get this tee. I did not get it. I'm really kind of salty that I didn't get it because it actually looks really nice. So you got that little sticker right there, the dinosaur sticker. You have the split sticker right here. Yep, that's really dope. And you just have your regular Supreme box logo sticker. And it's gonna go in the mug that I had for a while that just holds my stickers. Alright, my bad y'all, I had to like readjust myself. The doorbell rang and everything, so kind of threw me off a bit. Yeah, another box logo sticker, just whatever. We have the Lizard Tee sticker. Love that, love the design, it's super dope. I'm more of a green person myself, so anything that is plant-based or related, I'm gonna love it. And I also have, did I get 2? I got 2, that's crazy. So I got 2 motion logo stickers, the purple one and the black one. So yeah, super dope. Just gonna, like I said, it's mostly gonna be just kept in the mug. If you guys don't know, I have this mug right here. It just holds all my stickers because I just don't know what to do with them. So they're sitting there. I also have my Supreme box, utility box. And these usually hold my stickers as well. So yep, a lot of these are gonna be put in here. Yep, so I usually just keep these in this box right here. Keeps all my stickers because I don't know where to put them. I would put them on laptop like a noob that I am, but nah, I'm just not with that, so I just keep them. Alright, so we also have the Supreme, I don't know how to pronounce this, I'm gonna butcher this, but Beanie tee. Yeah, so it's a clean design. It's super simple. It looks almost like a digital clock kind of font, but I think it's really cool. I didn't know it was actually like had the textures on it. If you guys really pay attention, like you can see like the texture on the font. That's actually really dope. It says the name 1994, where Supreme started, established in New York City, and it has the spring summer of 2020. I didn't even notice that. That's actually really sick. So if you guys look right here, you can see the whole thing, what it says. That's actually really dope how it has like the actual date and everything. That's pretty cool. This is a navy, I believe. Yeah, this is a navy large, so not my size, but I don't know if I want to keep this either. It's super clean, but most likely this is going to be for resale. Alright, so yes, we did get another Pitbull tee. I jigged the, you know who, so you know how we rockin', we don't just get one one type of tee. We get both types of the tees. So I have another Pitbull tee. This is a size of large, I believe. Yeah, size large. So most likely this is going to be for resale. Don't need to explain what this tee is because I already explained it. I have another one basically. Alright, so this one right here is the Lizard tee. And it's in red. So Mike, why the hell did you get a red medium tee? That's not going to be doing well in the resale market. Well, guess what, guys? This is one of the tees I'm keeping. I don't care. This tee's fire. Alright, so I'm keeping this shit. So look at right here. Has the Supreme logo in like a hedge kind of font. And they have the lizard right here. Have the little water pail right there. Super clean design. And I got it in red because I don't have a red shirt. So I was like, you know, let me go for something I don't usually have. Also, someone in Boone's server told me to get red. Shout outs to him. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get red. I got red, and now I have this tee. So I'm gonna be wearing this all summer long, even though Corona, I'm not going nowhere basically. But we wearing this tee. It's a clean design. I really like it. And lastly, what we have is the Supreme umbrella. I'm keeping it $150. I am 50-50 on this. I should keep it or I should resell it. I don't know what it's going for right now. Let me actually check for you guys. Alright, so I think this retailed $58 and it's going for $61. So not doing so hot in resale. I feel like this item is really gonna jump when it gets to like winter because that's usually when it's like raining, and if you don't have an umbrella on you, it's like, oh shit. Once you have this umbrella, you can literally stunt in front of all your friends and be like, yo, I have a Supreme umbrella. And it's transparent and it's checkered, so it's actually really clean. So like I said, I'm 50-50 on this. I don't know if I want to keep it or not. If I do end up keeping it, I'm probably going to post like the most fire pick in 2020, but this is really a dope item. It's actually really useful too. Like I said, it's an umbrella. So when it rains, you're going to want an umbrella. So basically, I know people are kind of questioning that for my last live cop, I didn't end up copying the umbrella because I backspaced and went back to the home page instead of going back to the checkout page, and I ended up not copying it. But however, later that day, I think it was either that day or the next day, I got an email from Supreme and it says that I actually did cop the umbrella. So I got super lucky on that. I don't know how it happened, it just did. I think that's pretty much all the things that I have right now as far as my inventory. I still have things from like fall, winter 19. I still have things from spring, summer 19. So I just been keeping it for a while. I haven't really been looking up the market on those particular items. I know some of them kind of breaking still, so I don't want to let them go just yet. But at the same time, I kind of do because they're not items I would really wear or use. So make sure you guys leave a like on the video if you cop bricks as well, as much as I do, because you know, it's brick city out here. We building apartments, we building buildings. You already know what the deal is. We're building shit like we do in Fortnite. I don't even know if people actually play that game still, but it's whatever. So make sure you guys go subscribe to my channel as well. Ring the bell to get notified whenever I do come out with more content. I said that in the beginning of the video and I'm gonna say it at the end. And thank you to my sponsor, UFO Notify, for sponsoring this video. Coming hard, you guys get all these cool monitors. You guys get all this good one-on-one tech support if you guys have any questions. You guys get like slots getting ran. I know they do some of that. The whole shebang basically. And SMS text messages, so you don't even have to be on Discord to get notified if there's a restock or not. So that's actually a really useful tool. But go there, UFO Notify. I'll leave a link in the description down below to the Twitter that links to the Discord. It is a paid server, but if you guys use code Mike, you get 1 month for free. So go check them out. Really dope, totally worth it. That is the end of my video. I will see you guys next time. Hopefully it's like within a week or so. I still do need to make my top 10 Supreme items of spring and summer. I did not forget about that. Still making it. Also, I've been busy with music, so we'll see what's what. And yeah, see you guys later. Deuces.